Hello everyone, and welcome to my General Hospital official channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Arrested Sam digs for information after Sasha asks Curtis for a lawyer's crash cart. According to General Hospital, Harrison Chase will take Sasha Gilmore to the station now that she has been arrested, most likely for theft. Sasha evidently believed her account was fully paid and was unaware that the blouse still had a security tag on it. Chase will need to follow the rules even if Sasha will suggest that everything is just a big mistake. Sasha will counter Chase's suggestion that she consult an attorney by saying that lawyers only represent the guilty. Sasha will pretend that she doesn't require legal representation because she wasn't attempting to steal anything. Chase might still decide to make the call, and Gladys Corbin, Bonnie Burroughs, who receives updates on this complex scenario, would concur. Sadly, Sasha is already experiencing side effects from the new prescription and how it interacts with her antidepressant. That can result in a meltdown that worsens the situation. Gladys will be interrogated by Sam McCall, Kelly Monaco, in the interim. Sam will look for information Selena Wu, Lydia Look, may have on Gladys, who would undoubtedly try to obstruct her. Cody Bell, Josh Kelly, will have to find a way out of some difficulty of his own at the Savoy. Cody will likely make Selena an offer that she can't refuse since she just caught him playing games, and Cody will undoubtedly make a very lucrative offer. Cody may have learned his lesson and is now aware of how seriously Selena takes her poker game winnings. Selena will decide. Of course, Cody risked paying a high price if he dared to attempt to con Selena once more or in any way hurt her business. Willow Corinthos will be concerned about Sasha, but Michael Corinthos will divert her attention with a charming act. Fans of General Hospital can anticipate that Michael will make Willow smile and do something romantic. Marshall Ashford, Robert Gossett, will be astonished by someone's visit to the hospital, while Curtis Ashford, Donald Turner, is undergoing surgery. Since Sonny Corinthos will in fact visit GH, he might be the one to surprise Marshall. Sonny will also swear to find out who was really targeted and why. According to General Hospital spoilers, Sonny won't stop until he learns the truth. Thus, he might pledge to bring those responsible for the mayhem to justice. She will comfort Trina Robinson about Curtis trying to get back to his daughter so they can establish a proper bond over with Stella Henry. TJ Ashford will help Curtis throughout his surgery, which will take a frightening turn. Curtis will have to battle much harder to survive and return to his loved ones because the crash cart will be required. In the following paragraphs, Alexis Davis will worry about Christina Corinthos Davis, Kate Monsey, and the service offer she was considering at the club. Ultimately, Christina changed her mind, but Alexis might be concerned that this isn't finished yet. That's more true now that Molly Lansing Davis overheard Christina's offer, indicating that there would undoubtedly be more Davis sister turmoil in the future. Stay back for updates on all the conflict as General Hospital spoilers state that Alexis will have to deal with some difficult family issues in the upcoming weeks. If Curtis gets shot, will Donald Turner's time on the soap opera come to an end? On General Hospital, Curtis Ashford's life was completely flipped upside down when he learned on his wedding day that his fiancée had been keeping a terrible secret. When Trina asks Portia to be honest about her paternity shortly after Portia and Curtis' wedding, Curtis is taken aback. Knowing that he likely missed out on an entire life with his daughter, he is devastated. A paternity test later proved that Curtis is Trina's biological father. Trina was severely shaken by the news, but she bounced back quickly enough to warmly welcome Curtis into her life. But the most recent turn of events poses a threat to everything. Will Trina and Curtis ever stop being friends? Only on TV Curtis season and spoilers. The Metro Court pool recently served as the scene of a brutal gunshot event on General Hospital in a heart-pounding scenario. The majority of people were able to avoid getting hurt. However, one uninvolved spectator was hit by one of the 3 gunshots that were fired. Curtis Ashford was the hapless person. There are yet no hints as to who fired the shot or who provided the orders. Additionally, it is yet unknown who the shooting was intended at. Dante did, however, speculate that Sonny or Anna might have been the intended victims. Curtis unfortunately ended up being General Hospital's collateral damage. He was taken right away to the hospital, but his survival is in jeopardy. According to the most recent spoilers, TJ might help with the procedure and Curtis will be fighting for his life in the following episodes. So it appears that Curtis' current situation is really grave. He had been stabilized in the most recent incident, but the physician said he was still unconscious. The doctor continued by providing a far more alarming update about Curtis. Will Curtis' death cause Donald Turner to leave the hospital? The doctor notified Curtis' family that the bullet has lodged against his spine during the dramatic epilogue of the previous episode. Because of this, General Hospital will have to perform a very difficult surgery to remove it. Curtis is then rushed to the emergency room, where the agonizingly protracted wait for the operation to happen starts. Curtis' future is in limbo, and we can't help but wonder if he will make it out alive. Furthermore, why may Curtis have been the target of a gunshot? The General Hospital exit? On that, the verdict is yet out. Since the producers have remained mum, it's unclear what Curtis' future in the show will entail. The fact that there is virtually no news regarding Donald leaving the soap opera offers some optimism, nevertheless. Therefore, Curtis has a good probability of surviving. But that brings up the original query again. Why should Curtis suffer? After all the paternity and secret kiss drama, it might be a wise idea to give Portia and Curtis a fresh start. It seems highly improbable that the creators would kill Curtis with so many unfinished business, as he is currently smack in the heart of too many plots. Additionally, some spoilers imply that Curtis might have actually been the intended victim after all. And if that's the case, Curtis will soon have a brand new plot. So tune in to General Hospital to find out what Curtis' life has in store for him next. While waiting, a game-changing plot twist on General Hospital is approaching that nobody wants, especially Trina. According to the proverb, when it rains, it pours, and Trina from General Hospital is currently caught in an emotional rainstorm. Sadly, it doesn't seem like things will get better anytime soon. Even worse, Spencer is away taking parenting lessons with Esme when she needs him the most. The future doesn't look good for Curtis, Trina's brand new father. Sonny and Anna both think they were the ones being shot at in the Metro Court, but Curtis was the one who ended up getting hit. The tough guy might already be up and moving, assisting Dante and Chase in identifying the shooter, had it hit him in the arm or shoulder. Instead, he is battling for his life in a hospital. At the conclusion of the July 10 episode, a doctor told Portia and Trina Curtis has been stabilized, but he's still unconscious. The bullet will need to be removed surgically, which will be challenging because it is pressed up against Curtis' spine. More. The huge sprain it issue at General Hospital. Now that Curtis has been brought into the ER, the lengthy wait begins. But after only a few weeks of Trina learning that he is her biological father, would the fates really be so cruel as to take him away? At least, that's what we believe right now. Many people believe that those paternity tests may have been tampered with and that Taggart's downward trajectory is unjustified. Curtis' operation won't start until later in the week, according to the most recent teasers, so it appears that we won't know his destiny for a long. You can check them out here. Could Trina's emotional disaster at the conclusion of the week ensure that despite the best efforts of her dad's physicians, Curtis ends up in the mortuary rather than the recovery room? Thanks for watching. If you like this video, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't miss any update.